Okay, so let's talk about saving your document real quick. To save your document, you're going to go up to the top here to where it says File, and then you're going to look for Save As. You can see the shortcut for it right to the side here. So File, Save As. There are two separate ways to save your document. If you are saving it so that you can work on it later, you're going to want to save to the cloud. So always save to the cloud anyway, just in case. It'll give you a backup. Name whatever you're calling it and hit save. Okay? If you are saving this document to turn it in to me, you need to hit File, Save As, and choose to save onto your computer. Now, where you're saving it on your computer is your choice. I recommend the desktop so that you can easily find it. Right here, you will say File Name, and you will name your file. And underneath that, you will see Save As Type. Now, I'm doing this on a PC, but on the Mac, it's the exact same thing. It's just laid out a little differently. File name will be at the top, and Save As Type will be underneath. If I need a PSD, that is a Photoshop type. It will have a .psd at the end of this, and it'll look a specific way. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Save and OK here for the PSD. If I need you to send me a JPEG or any other type of file, if you look down here underneath Save As Type, you will see a listing of those different types. The most common being a straight JPEG right here, not a JPEG 2000 or stereo, just a JPEG. Save that, and I will save that again to my desktop. Now again, on a Mac and a PC, it looks a little different, but it acts the exact same way. JPEG options here, always leave that at max so that you get the largest file type. Now, when I shrink down, I will see a JPEG right here and a Photoshop document. Those are the two file types you will turn in. Now, if you're looking to save anything different, if you can't find it under Save As, there's a possibility it's under Export. Now this works the same way in Illustrator and InDesign. File, Save As. If you can't find the file type that you're looking for here in this listing, then go to File, Export, and Export As. You may see that file type here instead. Some of them will repeat. You'll see JPEG here as well, but you've got an option here for PNGs or SVGs if you happen to need those. So again, File, Save As, or File, Export, Export As. Those will give you options to save your documents correctly.